How to find profile and device management on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on VPN and Device Management. On this page, you can manually configure a VPN connection and manage installed device management profiles, which are sent by an administrator to configure the device. Here, tap on VPN. A VPN allows you to access content that is blocked in your geographic region, such as streaming services or sports broadcasts, by connecting through a server in the desired country. As you can see, VPN is currently not connected. From here, you can turn on or off VPN whenever you require. Following these steps, you can easily find profile and device management on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.